Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello, Guardians. In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny 2 on your iPhone. It's easier than you might think to bring this expansive universe to your mobile device. We'll go over the main ways you can stream the game, ensuring you can enjoy its thrilling action and rich story wherever you are. Get ready to explore the cosmos from the palm of your hand. The magic behind playing Destiny 2 on your iPhone often comes from cloud gaming services. Platforms such as Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now let you stream the game without needing to download it. You'll need a subscription to these services and a robust internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, for a seamless and enjoyable experience. To get started, ensure your iPhone is updated to a recent operating system. While touch controls might be an option, a Bluetooth controller is highly recommended for Destiny 2's complex gameplay. Connecting a controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, will give you precise control. Many players also find a phone clip for their controller incredibly useful for extended play sessions. For the best experience, always connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network to minimize lag. In the game settings, consider lowering some graphical options to prioritize a smoother frame rate, which is vital for a fast-paced shooter. Also, remember that streaming can consume significant battery life, so keep your iPhone charged or plugged in for uninterrupted adventures in the Destiny 2 universe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.